Have you often heard the term digital products in your For You page or newsfeed but you're unsure how to get started? And now you want to learn how to earn passively through selling and creating digital products? We got you, and welcome to Course Rebuild Academy or CRA version 2.0, where we will teach you how to earn passively in the world of digital products. This is a pre-recorded training, not a one-on-one training where we will teach you live or one-on-one. This is a self-paced learning. It means every instructions that you need is already within the course. But don't worry, we have the community. You can ask for help anytime that you want. The good thing here is that you have the flexibility to learn and to watch anytime and anywhere you choose. So for example, you're busy tonight, you're busy tomorrow, you really have a busy schedule, then you can watch it and you can follow the instructions inside the course in the most convenient time you have. Then, if you're gonna ask me, is it okay to just use a phone? My answer would always be definitely yes. But we recommend a PC or laptop for the best experience. On the older version, we really insist our student to use PC or laptop. However, now in the newest version, it's very possible to earn passively using your phone because everything is built in. If you don't have any prior knowledge about this, that is okay because it is good for beginners but not for complainers. So if you're someone who's too lazy, who complains a lot, maybe this isn't for you. If you're someone who give up when things get tough, I suggest you do not enroll in this course. This is for those people who really and eagerly want to earn passively and have the dedication it takes. Because if you don't have that, you really won't earn. And we also have a lot of testimonies below this video. You can check this out. You can read those things. And that is very legit. What's the good thing here in digital products is that you can sell it as much as you want and you can make one as much as you want. This isn't like the physical product that you need to hire employees, you need warehouse, you need to make your products, the inventories, the shipping. It takes a lot of hassle. But you don't need that in digital products since everything is accessible and available online. So selling these products is not limited, which means your potential source of income is also unlimited. The more digital products that you make, the more source of passive income you have. But disclaimer, we want to make things clarify. Enrolling in this course doesn't guarantee a 100% income because there's no such thing in a business. That is why we call it business, because it depends on you, to your effort, to the people, to your product, and your target audience. The success lies within you. You are the key. So that means you enroll to learn. And from that learning, from that knowledge, you gain skills. And from that skills, you earn passively. So let's get to the point. What can you expect once you've enrolled in this course? So for only $35, you'll be able to learn how to create your own digital products. This includes online courses, templates, trackers, planners, presets, ebooks from scratch. So it means it's really okay if you don't have any knowledge or experience about this, because we will teach you from the very beginning how to make those products. Now, after making your own digital products, we will teach you how to market that course or that product effectively so you can have substantial sales every day consistently. We believe that it's easier to make products rather than to have sales. That's why we will teach you our very secret on how we actually hit 5 to 6 digits a month. And yes, it's very possible. After that, we will also teach you how to automate that product so that while you are sleeping, while you are eating, while you are out with your friends, with your family, you are earning. It means whatever you do, the money is running for you. We will also teach you how to get a lots of sales by utilizing your social media accounts, what to post, what you must have, and everything that you need. We will also teach you how to price your digital products, what's the standards, how to do it, and other details. We will also maximize the use of AI so that we can lessen our effort and we can maximize everything that we have. Also, you'll be able to resell 1 million. Imagine guys, 1 million digital products, and that includes courses, templates, trackers, planners, presets, and more. You can sell that as much as you want. And you can also resell this very course that you availed with 100% commission. This isn't networking or scheme that of upline, downline, that you must have the physical product that we will earn once you have sales. No, nothing like that. Every sales that you have will go 100% directly to your account. That means if you have 10 sales for today, you will have 100% of that 10 sales. It's all about you and your sales. For our freebies, we have the built-in funnels or website like this one. You will have your own ready to use. It means you don't have to take effort to make on your own because we have the built-in website for you. We also have the built-in webinar so you don't have to explain it to your buyers. Just like this video, you will be able to have this one. And last but not the least, you will be able to have access to our 300,000 ebooks about business, self-improvement, about family, about communication, and more that can really help you daily. We only have limited slots, so I suggest that you enroll if you really want because the price might go up in several days. That's it, and thank you so much. We hope to see you soon on our community.